Luc de Jong has hit back at his critics after being named as one of the Premier League's worst ever strikers. Back in the second half of the 2013-14 season, de Jong had a brief 12-game loan spell with Newcastle where he failed to score.
A decade on from then, and he was told about him being ranked at number 75 in a 2017 list of the biggest flops. In an interview with The Guardian, de Jong could not help but laugh at his ranking.
Biting back, he said, "Really? When I only played 12 matches and not all of them from the start. And not in my position, either. Oh well, that's the football world, you know." I was young. Read more in FOOTBALLFINISHINGTUCH. Harry Kane, unhappy at Bayern with England captain no closer to trophy double-up win, a Porsche GT3 rupees and a Mercedes G63 AMG, or £220,000 cash from just 85p. I think I am better armed now to take on Premier League defenders.
It's about your response to adversity that makes the difference. De Jong, 33, has come a long way since then, scoring for PSV in the first leg of the Champions League last 16 tie against Borussia Dortmund for starters. His pedigree in European competitions speak for itself, with 12 goals in 38 Champions League games and 17 in 48 Europa League games.
Most read in football. KANYC, Kanye West and wife in stands for Inter vs Atletico as Ultras star in new track, NORRWO. Norrington Davies out for season after injury at Luton with Euro 2024 at risk. Camp Nou Barcelona crisis as they are forced into fire sale and face European ban. ORROR injury. Crystal Palace, U21 game abandoned as defender rushed to hospital after injury. How to get free bets on football. Former Tottenham star Rafael van der Vaart also names him as the best header of the ball in Europe. Opta stats backing up that claim, with 77 goals being scored with the 6'2" forward's head, including 13 of the 27 strikes the PSV captain has this season.
I'm an ex-Premier League star who plays with Lionel Messi, but am richer than him at just 23 despite his $650 million fortune. De Jong puts this down to his upbringing by Dutch international volleyball player parents who played with him in the garden or at the beach, which helped with his sense of timing. The Dutchman has also featured for Barcelona for one season, scoring 7 goals in 29 games.
But he admitted his time there was strange due to him being labeled as Lionel Messi's replacement following the Argentine's move to Paris Saint-Germain. He said, "That was very strange. Of course I was not brought in as his direct replacement.
No one can replace that man. I came there as a target man. But I was actually sitting at his place in the dressing room. That was nice." One of the crowning moments of his career came after he was told he could leave the Camp Nou by Xavi, who had replaced Ronald Koeman after he signed De Jong.
De Jong said, "After that I scored some important goals, mostly headers. At one point they sang my name at Camp Nou at every corner or free kick. You wouldn't think it gets better than that. I am very proud of that." Read more son STORIESCASH out Martin Lewis warns 1.
"1M missed out on free £102 a week. Get on with it now. Lovin' It. McDonald's launches new range of very unusual products, and fans are obsessed. Good times come with the tough, however, and De Jong has credited his mental strength as part of the reason he is now the best version of himself. He said, "I never gave up. I always kept working hard and I think I am the best version of myself now."